Hi, we're here to talk about the new NetBackup 5330 appliance. Its power and scalability and just what a powerful beast it is. And Bill Felt you're going to walk through some of the aspects of the appliance, right?
Yes, from both of those angles. Why is it so powerful and why is it so scalable, right? And so this comes directly from customer needs, right? So we have many customers that are truly large enterprises, and they need solutions that they can rely upon, right? Have reliable performance under sustained load, and we achieve that with this appliance solution. So starting with power, so we achieve the core power of the appliance solution by starting off with plenty of CPU headroom, right? So we offer in the base server unit 2 CPUs, and these give you 10 cores each, so lots of processors available to compute and take care of job processing stuff. We have a very high ceiling of 384 gigabytes of RAM.
Wow.
And that's standard.
That looks like an awful lot of memory.
Yep, it is. And it goes back to that point of power and the needs of those high data center customers, right? So they need concurrent job processing, and again, that reliability under load. We get there with having a very high memory ceiling. We also have options for both fiber channel and 10 gig E connectivity into your data fabric. So you can have as many as 8 ports of fiber channel or as many as 10 ports of 10 gig E to talk to your environment. And the use cases are many and varied. So a good one, of course, is VMware. So commonly you'll have fiber channel data stores, and we can access those through that connectivity there. So that's where we get a lot of our power, both compute and data movement power. As far as storage scalability, we have a couple of options there as well. So you have to have with each unit at least one storage tray, and that will offer you 114 terabytes of storage. You can add a second as well. So a single unit can scale out to another 114 for a total of 229 usable storage, either as just standard disk or as deduplication enabled storage as well.
But it's not limited to that, because you can actually scale out.
Yeah, that's a great point. This is each unit implementation. If you need to scale horizontally, you can. So if you even surpass this 229 number, you can add another unit and keep scaling horizontally if you need to. So that's a great point. So management. So NetBackup has a 3-tier management architecture. At the top level, you can have a master server, and this guy controls your catalogs, and he controls your job processing, and he also offers you reporting ability. So at the highest level, you have this master server at the top tier, and he will control and report against all of your media servers, which in this case would be your 5330 appliances. So a lot of management power there as well.
Just one point.
Yes.
So typically that would be 5230, right?
We would definitely recommend that. So if you have appliances at each level of the tier, in this case a 5230 for your master server, then it streamlines the whole thing. You have that purpose-built appliance, streamlined rack and stack implementation from the top down, rather than having to build it yourself challenges that many customers have in the past. We also have other management options here. So we have IPMI. So this is for out-of-band management, pretty standard feature in the modern data center. We also have an online My Appliance portal. So as a customer, you can go to your portal and view and report against and monitor all of your appliances without having to locally log on or attach to them directly. So a very flexible management option there. Again, through this option and this option, we achieve very high bandwidth and I/O throughput. And oddly enough, we achieve pretty good power consumption rates. So in spite of all the power and scale that you see here, power consumption stays relatively low. And we're happy to report that to customers that are worried about their overall power footprint. So.
That's fantastic. But I think these should have nice red pen saying nice.
Let's go red.
Let's go up. This down. Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, a great explanation, and thanks very much.